Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in CapCut. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So to start with, what you want to do is you want to launch CapCut. You then want to select either a new project, so that blue button with the plus sign that says new project, or an existing project. Cool, okay, so once we have our project open, you then want to come down to the T button at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to press on the button that says auto captions. You then want to choose the language that is suitable for you. So we're going to select English, but as you can see, if you scroll down, there are lots of other languages that you can choose from. You can then choose from different templates as well. We're going to stick without a template at the minute, and then we're just going to hit on the generate button. So as you can see, that is generating, and there we have it. Captions have been generated, which is great. Okay, so what you want to do is you can then start editing. So if you edit that first caption, it is then going to have the same effect for the rest of the video. So as you can see, we've just brought that first box down, and then that has had that same effect on the rest of the captions in the video, which is great for consistency. Then what you can do is you can press on batch edit to go through and edit. You can then press on the button next to it, which is style. So this is where you can choose from templates. So there are some templates that are only available if you are on CapCut Pro, but there are lots of other templates as well available if you are just on the free version. You can then go ahead and select a different font if you want to. You've got different style, effects, and then also animations as well, which can be quite fun to have an edit and to see how you want your sort of video best to be presented. And that is it. That is a super simple and quick video for you guys on how to add subtitles in CapCut. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.